Sharing an Excel workbook with multiple users can be done effectively using Excel's collaboration features. Here's a step-by-step guide. Use Excel Online or OneDrive. Upload the workbook. Save your workbook to OneDrive or SharePoint. Open Excel and go to File, Save As, OneDrive to upload it. Open in Excel Online. For real-time collaboration, open the workbook in Excel Online by logging into your Microsoft account and accessing OneDrive. Share the workbook. Share from OneDrive. Right-click the workbook file in OneDrive and select Share. Invite collaborators. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share the workbook with. Choose whether they can edit or only view the document. Send the invitation. Click Send to share the workbook. Collaborators will receive an email invitation to access the workbook. Enable workbook sharing in Excel. Open Workbook. Open the Excel workbook you want to share. Share Workbook feature. Go to the Review tab, click Share Workbook in older versions of Excel. Ensure Allow changes by more than one user at the same time is checked. Save Workbook. Save the workbook to a shared network location where others can access it. Track changes. Turn on Track changes. Go to the Review tab and select Track changes, highlight changes. This allows you to see who made what changes. Review changes. Regularly review changes to keep track of updates made by collaborators.